I'm Law&Crime's Jesse Weber, and these are today's top legal and sports stories here on the Fubo Sports Network. Former WWE star Velveteen Dream was arrested for a physical altercation with a gym employee in Florida. According to police documents, Dream, whose real name is Patrick Clark, was asked to leave an area of the gym for cleaning purposes by a gym employee. The employee claims that Clark became argumentative to the point where he had to ask him to leave the facility, and Clark then allegedly proceeded to punch the employee and bite him. The police arrested Clark after observing teeth marks on the employee's chest and armpit. Clark is charged with battery and trespassing on property after warning. He has pleaded not guilty to both charges. The National Organization for Women are urging that Jon Gruden never be allowed to coach in the NFL again. Jon Gruden was fired from the Raiders organization in 2021 after offensive emails he sent surfaced. The emails contain racist, homophobic, and misogynistic language. Gruden has publicly came out and apologized about the emails, but the National Organization for Women stated that if Gruden is allowed to coach again, it would prove the NFL values misogyny, homophobia, and racism. In a meeting last week with reporters, Gruden called the emails shameful and pleaded that the NFL gives him another look. Former Kansas City Chiefs assistant coach Britt Reid, son of Chiefs coach Andy Reid, is expected to plead guilty for a 2021 DWI car crash that seriously injured a young girl. Police said Reid was intoxicated and speeding when he hit two parked cars on an entrance ramp near the Chiefs Stadium in February 2021. And one of those cars was 5-year-old Ariel Young, who suffered a traumatic brain injury from the crash. Reid's attorney stated that Britt sincerely regrets his actions and prays for Ariel's continued recovery. His attorney went on to say that Britt hopes his guilty plea brings some sense of justice to all those affected. The Chiefs organization reached a confidential agreement with Young's family to pay for her medical treatment and other expenses. Reid faces up to 7 years in prison. And those are today's top legal and sports stories. Make sure to check out today's most exciting live trials at the Law&Crime Trial Network, now available with a Fubo TV subscription.